Today I'm going to show you how to add graphics on any surface with complex perspective in Photoshop. First, go to File and choose the Open. And open the pattern. Go to Select and choose the All. Go to Edit and choose the Copy. Let's come back to our image. Create a new layer. Go to Filter and choose the Vanishing Point. Select the Plane tool. And create a plane on the stairs. Make sure the line is blue, not red or yellow. If it's not blue, reposition the point. Now, hold Ctrl key and click and drag from this point, it will extend a plane. Let's do the same for other stairs. So again, hold Ctrl key and click and drag from this point, it will extend a plane. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Press Ctrl V to paste copied pattern. Drag the pattern and drop it on the stairs. Press Ctrl T to select the free transform tool. Hold Shift key while dragging right bottom corner inwards. And scale the pattern any way you want. I will speed this part up to save your time. Hold Alt and drag to duplicate the pattern layer. When you're done, click OK. Change the blend mode of the layer 1 to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold down Alt to split the white slider. Click OK once you're satisfied. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of layer. And change the blend mode of the layer 1 copy to screen. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Return it back to normal and hold down Alt to split the black slider. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl G to group several layers into a folder group. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click the foreground color and make sure the foreground color is black. And click OK. Select the Brush tool and choose the Soft Round brush. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. And paint the most important objects in the image. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Go to the Layer panel. Make it even more realistic, just decrease the opacity to 90%. And this is the result.